Dear friends, locusts are a kind of short-horned migratory grasshoppers. Locust is the biggest pest on the earth which can create a huge loss to the agriculture. India is having ever impending threat of locust. Locust is a sleeping giant which can roar up at any time. Locust is a big threat to the Indian agriculture. It can cause famine if not controlled properly. It have got the potential to bring famine in the agriculture due to swarming nature, due to voracious feeding in nature, and highly migratory in nature. Besides this, it is having a nature of polyphagous eating. It can eat all kind of vegetations. Locust Warning Organization is a kind of body which is responsible to control locust in Indian scheduled desert area. But in the cropped area, the responsibility of locust control lies with the state government. Locust Warning Organization is like a kind of a para-defense, paramilitary organization or firefighting organization, and must be ever ready to combat the locust menace with all required control potential. Management of locust control operation is just like a war, with the same needs and requirement and control potential like spray equipment, communication equipment, pesticides, a fleet of vehicles, wireless equipment, and sufficient manpower, trained and sufficient manpower. Similarly, it must have got the facilities for first aid in case of emergency. It also must have a fund called as an emergency fund to the tune of at least minimum a tune of 100 lakh. Vehicle repair equipment, sufficient stock of fuel, and detailed contingent plan. Locust Warning Organization must submit its detailed contingent plan on the every beginning of the locust season, which starts from the April and May. It must propose detailed control potential required for the locust control in this contingent plan. Each and every concept or the plant protection concept is having its own speciality. Similarly, locust control is also having a speciality. It is not managed, but it is controlled with the help of chemical insecticide. Though several other measures are also adopted, but these measures are not useful in case of locust war or locust invasion. The entry of the locust swarm from other country or from other continent is called as locust invasion. Many locust invasion takes place in India. I myself have observed several locust invasions. When I joined this Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage as a government servant, then in 1978 there was a locust operation. There was a locust invasion. In 1986 there was a locust invasion. Similarly, the biggest invasion of locust was in 1993, in which the locust reached up to West Bengal. Similarly, this year also, India is facing triple natural disasters. One is the corona problem, which is India is facing. Another problem India faced, it was the problem of the sea storm, and now it is the third problem, that is the problem of locust, in which the several swarms of locust have entered in India and reached up to the Maharashtra state. It is a threat to the Indian agriculture. We must be very careful, and we must control immediately this problem, otherwise the Indian food security may fall in danger. To sustain Indian food security, we should control the locust problem which is going on in India nowadays. So the third problem, which was, as I have discussed, that it was these problems, that is the locust problem and the corona problems, both have become international problems. It has come from the foreign countries. The locusts have come, it has traveled from the African countries to India via Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan and Pakistan. So this is the locust emergency. India is facing the locust emergency nowadays. Any big problem, any big event which may be natural, political, legal, or any kind of event which can cause huge loss to the vast area is called an emergency. So India is also facing nowadays a locust emergency, for which emergency is the event which can come at any time without any prior notice. So locust is an emergency pest. It can come at any time. Locust is a sleeping giant which can roar at any time. We must be ever ready to fight with the locust problem with all control potential. It's the management of locust control operation is just like a war with the same requirements and needs. So if we want to save Indian agriculture, we must strengthen the locust warning organization, which is responsible to control locust in scheduled desert area of India. Thank you very much.